how important is it to work with a partner who can bring your ideas to life while respecting design, technical requirements and sustainability? At Braida, the first benefit company in the chair sector and located in the heart of the Italian chair district, tradition meets technology to create exceptional seating solutions. We are more than just a supplier. We are your partner in turning creativity into precision-engineered products, blending craftsmanship and innovation. With hundreds of prestigious references worldwide and bespoke products crafted from wood, metal and any kinds of upholstery, we bring unique expertise to every project. From technical development to eco-design practices, we create made in Italy seating and tables perfectly tailored to your needs. Share your ideas, sketches and drawings with us. We'll ensure that every piece reflects the highest standard of design, durability and sustainability. Visit us in Friuli, Venezia, Giulia, a hidden gem between mountains and sea, where creativity, passion and beauty define both our region and our craft. Braida, smart seating matters.